Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitmine Immersion Technologies plans to raise up to $20 billion through an expanded at-the-market offering according to a fresh SEC filing. Proceeds will partly fund Ethereum purchases, diversifying beyond mining rewards. The new prospectus supplement filed August 11th increases total stock sale capacity to $24.5 billion. Before this expansion, Bitmine had already sold $4.5 billion in shares, leaving $723 million from prior authorization. The ATM structure allows gradual sales on exchanges like NYSE American. If fully realized, this financing would be among the largest in crypto, strengthening Bitmine's DeFi presence and ETH reserves. Coinbase has revived its stablecoin bootstrap fund to strengthen liquidity in decentralized finance markets. Managed by Coinbase Asset Management, the program will initially deploy funds on Aave, Morpho, Camino, and Jupiter. Originally launched in 2019, it helped early protocols like Uniswap and Compound grow USDC usage. The updated version will invest in both established and emerging DeFi platforms using USDC and Circle's EURC. While the fund size isn't disclosed, Coinbase says it will test multiple networks before scaling as DeFi assets near $200 billion amid renewed market momentum. Circle has unveiled Arc, a purpose-built Layer 1 blockchain using USDC as its native gas token. Launching on public testnet this fall, Arc will be EVM compatible and designed for payments, FX and capital markets. Features include sub-second settlement, opt-in privacy and a native stablecoin FX engine. By integrating USDC into its core, Circle aims to position the token as a central utility in next-gen finance. Arc will also connect with existing partner chains, giving developers familiar Ethereum tools alongside enterprise-grade infrastructure for stablecoin-driven applications. Kazakhstan has debuted Central Asia's first spot Bitcoin ETF, the Fonte Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund OEIC, listed on the Astana International Exchange. Operated by Fonte Capital, the ETF is backed by real Bitcoin held by Bitco with insurance coverage up to $250 million. Kazakhstan, a top Bitcoin mining hub since China's 2021 mining ban, offers low-cost energy and crypto-friendly regulations. The ETF is regulated by the AIFC, providing legal protection and independence from foreign issuers, positioning Kazakhstan as the region's most open and advanced crypto investment market. Western Union is exploring launching its own US dollar-backed stablecoin to speed up cross-border transfers, CEO Devin McGrahan revealed. Targeting non-US markets where rules allow, the coin could act almost like a savings account in dollars. This comes after new US laws brought stablecoins into the financial mainstream. Currently, Western Union uses partner banks, taking days to settle transfers. A stablecoin could make transactions nearly instant. Rivals like PayPal, with its PayYUSD and USDC issuer Circle, are already expanding in the space, pushing traditional remittance firms to innovate. Kwon, Terra Labs founder, has pleaded guilty to US charges of wire fraud and conspiracy to defraud, avoiding trial on 7 other counts. The plea deal, accepted in New York, includes $19 million in penalties and a sentencing cap of 12 years, far below the 25-year statutory maximum. Prosecutors said Kwon misled investors in 2021 about how Terra USD regained its $1 peg, concealing a trading firm's intervention. Kwon apologized in court, calling his actions wrong. Sentencing is set for December 11, 2025. Binance has joined Tron, Tether and blockchain intelligence firm TRM Labs in a collaborative anti-money laundering initiative targeting global crypto-related crimes. The T3 financial crime unit has already frozen over $250 million in illicit assets in under a year, more than doubling its earlier seizure figures. The partnership tackles scams, ransomware, terror financing and money laundering by tracking suspicious blockchain transactions in real time. Operating across 100+ countries, the group works closely with law enforcement to disrupt illegal financial activity before assets vanish into hidden channels. KuCoin has teamed up with AlloyX to integrate real-world asset tokens into its collateral management system. The pilot will use the RYT token backed by the China AMC USD Digital Money Market Fund in KuCoin's off-exchange settlement credit framework. Issued by China Asset Management Hong Kong Limited, the fund is one of Asia's first tokenized USD money market funds for retail investors. The move aims to connect traditional finance and blockchain, creating new applications for RWA collateral in Web3 ecosystems. Grayscale has introduced two single-asset trusts offering accredited investors exposure to DeepBook and Walrus, key protocols in the Sui blockchain ecosystem. DeepBook is an on-chain order book with over $10 billion in processed volume, while Walrus provides programmable data storage. The launch comes amid growing Sui network activity, with total value logged reaching $2.3 billion in late July. Grayscale sees both protocols as foundational in Sui's DeFi and data infrastructure. US President Donald Trump has earned an estimated $2.4 billion from crypto ventures since 2022, according to The New Yorker. His earnings span NFTs, token sales via World Liberty Financial, UAE crypto deals, Bitcoin mining, a BTC treasury company, and a meme coin. The ventures now account for over 43% of Trump's political-era personal wealth. This marks a shift from his 2019 criticism of cryptocurrencies, highlighting his growing stake in the industry he now helps regulate. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miruchi Sharma signing off.